So in this video, we are going to be discussing about posts, right? On the previous one, we covered we covered navigating dashboard. So on this one, we are going to be looking into posts. What is post, right? So on our dashboard, you can see to the left-hand side, you see something like post. You can see all posts, you can see add new posts, you can see categories of posts, you can see tags of posts. Now, if you are managing a website or you have a website, you have this possibility of publishing articles on your website. You can publish articles just like this and people will be able to read. So think about bloggers, how bloggers make posts on their website. So bloggers publish posts and you get to read these posts. So any post you are making, you have the possibility of making it written and also have image content on that post. Like on this screen, these are all posts. We can classify this as posts because these are content. So posts are more of written content with media that you can publish on your website and it will be visible on the front end of your website. So for a website, you have different pages on a website. For every pages on a website, you can add a post, right? You can add a post that people can comment. You can add a post about what you do, right? So now to get started with posts, right? You just go to your post here, click on post, add new post, then you go ahead, or you can view all the posts by clicking on all posts, right? We are not done setting up the website, but we're just trying to understand the terms here so that we can get started with setting up our website. So here we have a post here, which is what hello world. You can see this is the title of the post, hello world. And if you are to look into this post, you are going to see that the author is practice. That's the admin is practice. Then the post doesn't have a category. Then there is tags here, of which there is no tag here, right? Now I can make a post and I can classify the post under maybe WordPress or website ideas, and I can add a tag as WordPress. So anybody that is on the website can search the post using a tag. This is like a hashtag, right? And under a particular category, they can find different posts. Now, how do you add a new post? You can either click on add a new post at the left hand side here, or you click at the top, right? Then let's try one and see what happens. I'll click on add new post. Then the first thing I will do is to add the title of the post, then go ahead with the main content of the post. So I'm going to do that now and see how we can publish the post, right? So here is where you add title. So I'm going to type what is a website, right? So this is it. Now the content of the website is going to be here. A website is is like an apartment, is like an apartment hosted on the web, right? So this is just a rough stuff so that we can have some content, right? You can see, and I can decide to upload an image. I can decide to upload an image here if I want. So for bloggers and so on, there is more to this, right? There is more to written content and publishing content, right? These are all, you can enter paragraph, you can click on this add to add other content like images, head, paragraph, and so on. If I want to add image now, click on add image. I can upload an image or I can search from media library if there is an image there. So I'll just click on upload. Then I will come down to where I have images and I can upload images, right? I can upload images to the website. Let me check for an image I can use. I can decide to upload this image, right, to the website. You can see this image, right? And I can still go ahead with other content. I can still go ahead to add more content if I want. Then once I'm done, I'll click on publish. By the time I click on publish, the article is going to be published, right? And it will be visible on the front end of the website. Let's see if another article is going to show here. Can you see this is a current one? So it's showing, it's displaying at the top, right? This is a current one, hence it's displaying at the top, right? So now let's go back and see if we can classify this into a category and also add a hashtag. So I will still edit the content. At the left hand side here, I will check for where there is post. Then under post, I can add uh, categories. Can you see categories here? I can create a category, and here is on categories. I'll remove it, add new category. Then I'll add website, website, website. You can see I have website here. So I can make it either parent category, or I will just add. So once I do it this way, I'll just go ahead and have I added it? Yeah, I think I've created it. If I click on save, it means the category will be added. Now let's refresh our post and see what happens. Do we have any category visible here? Okay, it's not showing. I'm not sure if I did the right thing. Okay, I was supposed to click on add new category, right? I think I did not click on that. Yes, you can see it has been added. So let me save now. Let me save now and refresh. Let's see if we have a category for this. Okay, I think I need to add more. Let's see. Let me add more. Let me add more. So let's go back. Let me add more content. So I'll click on new, add new. You can see the category now is website, and there is no hashtag or there's no tags. So let me go ahead and add, let me say, Facebook, Facebook. Then let me add this as a content. And this time around, I'm going to add our post to be new post, new category rather, Facebook, Facebook. I'll go down and click on add. This time around, let's try to add a tag. Let's try to add a tag to it and see what happens. This is a tag. I'll come down to this place and type Facebook. Facebook. Can you see social media, digital marketing, digital marketing, Facebook ads. So now, if I am doing blogging and this website, or maybe I ensure that this website is on Google Console, I did all the necessary and it's ranking, right? It's ranking. So if people are searching for terms, these are the kind of tags that will actually make this post or make this post to be visible, either on the algorithm, right, on Google, or even on my website. You can use this hashtag to search for this content. Let me publish and let's see what happens. Now let's go to our front end and refresh. Let's refresh on our front end. Let's see if there's anything here. All right, we have different website, different content here, but then uh, the category is not visible, right? I guess it's because there is no widget here. So I think by the time we go further, we'll understand more about that. But then on the back end, you can see on the back end, you'll be able to check the different categories and the hashtag. Can you see these are the categories and the hashtag? So this post is under this category. So if I have about 100 posts, I can publish them under this Facebook category, right? It's just like categorizing something under, you get. Then this hashtag is what people can search and they'll get access to this content aside the main title, right? So that's that about posts. So on the next video, we are going to be discussing about what's that? We are going to be discussing about pages, right?